Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to 1 over the square root of number 2 tan t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about 1 over 2 tan t square. Number 2 we simplify tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by the square root. The s we have 1 over the square root of number 2 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here. The s we change by this one. So this one we have 1 over 2 tan t square. Number 2 divided by number 2. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square. The square root of secant of t square, you got about secant of t. Now I will put this one go outside. Secant of t with secant of t square, you got about secant of t to the power of 3. But I will keep this one to do about integration bypass. Because I just concentrate about this one, so later that I will multiply by 1 over the square root of 2 after we got the result in here. So we put about u equals to secant of t. So if we do first the derivative, you got about du equal to secant of t tan t dt. dv we have secant of t square dt. So the integration of this one, you got about v equals to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v minus du multiplied by v. So we have the integration secant of t tan t square dt. About tan t square, that's about secant of t square minus 1. This is about trigonometric identity. Next, secant of t multiplied by secant of t square and negative number 1. So we will have about secant of t with secant of t square plus the integration of secant of t dt. Because we have the negative sign here, negative with negative, you got about positive. And we know that everything in here equals to this one. So I will put this one go to the right. And we have 2, because this one plus this one, you got about number 2. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. The integration of this one, we got about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c. Now we need to return back to this one. We know that this integration that is about this one. So we put this one gone here. And we put about C. About T, that is about this one. So I will multiply both sides by the square root of number 2. And we got about T equals to arctan of this one. So I will put this one to change for T. So tan with arctan, you got about this one. Similar for this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.